Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blaze. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart. But we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama.
Lately I'm smoking exotic, B38 in my pocket, make the wrong move, might pop it. I'm tryna fatten this wallet. Pussy ass niggas can't kickbox, eating so good that it's pasta. See all these niggas I passed up, watch how a nigga go Lately I'm walking on tiptoe, tryna watch out for the wind slow, slay low, shout out my kinfolk. I'ma wild out with this pinto, it's like I'm gripping extendo. You niggas hating, be honest, I'ma just creep in your conscience. Glock cock if they walking up on me, block.
So this tire flat. That's the new tire over there. Gonna go ahead and get them to mount them. This one. This ain't no real expensive tire or nothing. Just a little tire I got from what's that? CST. Got this from Cycle Gear. Fort Worth. I'm over at the tire store. Gonna go up in here real quick. So I'm going to put this camera down so I can grab this other wheel. Yeah. Your favorite?
Yes, sir.
I'm surprised they trying to stretch it out. Woo, shit.
Like that.
Damn. Show us how it's done then, man.
Yeah. You be kicking my ass sometimes, so you might get it too.
What you working on right there, Rich? What this go on?
Hey bro, can I talk to you for a second? I don't like being videotaped, man.
Okay.
Like every time you do it, I do that. I'm not doing it to be a dick. I just don't like being videotaped, alright?
Okay.
Watch how a nigga go Lately I'm smoking exotic, B38 in my pocket, make the wrong move, might pop it. I'm tryna fatten this wallet. Pussy ass niggas can't kickbox, eating so good that it's pasta. See all these niggas I passed up, watch how a nigga go
What you got, man? Man, this thing is nice, man. Got like a flat wrap on it.
Yeah, you fixing to take it off. You're gonna wrap it half red, half black. You need to leave your little card.
All right, so what we got here, man?
This little device.
So that's for smaller tires.
Yes, sir.
Dirt bikes, y'all baby do dirt bike tires now?
Oh.
No dirt bike tires?
Oh. This machine's not gonna work for it. It's gonna look all bad.
Oh man. You had me convinced you knew what you was talking about. I'm not even sure. Man. What up, man? Some people can appreciate being on camera. Man, you gonna take me to the top every time I put you on the video, bro. Every time I put you on the video, I can do good numbers. Got Mr. Grouch over there. I'm definitely gonna use that.
Yeah, it kind of works like the little machine right there. It just grabs it with the vice.
I don't think you know how this shit works.
Man, come on now.
I'm doubting you,
Don't
bro.
play with me.
Man, somebody got a badass snap on. Who this yours?
Nah, that's mine right there. I just got that one.
Who knew this yours?
Yeah.
Oh man, yes sir.
You know, something slight.
Man, that boy know what he doing. He know a little something. Man, what's good, man? Blaze.
Nice to meet you. How you doing, man?
I'm the next up and coming YouTuber in the DFW, man.
I'm coming to start. I'm gonna trade you machines though, Frank. I'm gonna trade you machines.
See, so I'm going ahead and get this unwrapped. Let me take this over there. Excuse me. Start over. Try again.
One more try.
Look at that.
Now that look like that's how it's supposed to be done, man.
Oh.
I'm starting to think that you actually know what you're doing again.
Fucking with me again. Alright, we don't do my head. Fuck it. I don't like doing it this way, but for you, I got it.
Man, just make sure that shit sit their bead is right.
You want it to be locked in place so it don't leak?
Most definitely. That's the goal.
I can't guarantee these four-wheeler tires, bro.
Damn.
No, it's like
Pussy ass niggas can kickbox. Eating so good that it's pasta. See all these niggas I passed up. Watch how a nigga go Lately I'm walking on tiptoe. Tryna watch out for the wind slow. Slay low. Shout out my kinfolk. I'ma wild out with this pinto. It's like I'm gripping extendo. You niggas hating, be honest.
Hey, I think you need a hand, man.
Calm down, calm down. Yeah, it's all you, bro.
You got the touch, man.
This is the hard part.
This is my part.
No, it says Blaze got this big ass wheel.
Oh, it's very high. The wheel is high, yeah. So,
Go fast and high.
yeah, all this one.
Oh, it slipped. I had to put it on the floor.
Yeah, floor.
Yeah, dude.
Lay that shit on there heavy. I like the sauce.
Blaze gonna have this like YouTube struggle.
Man. I'm just showing them why they need to come up here because y'all gonna get shit done.
Yes, sir.
No matter how you look.
You know the deal?
Man, y'all boys actually sweating on. Y'all gonna be sweating on this video.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. You guys working hard.
Another one?
Nah, that's just it, man. I'm cheap. Maybe 1 or 2 at any given time.
38 in my pocket.
Get it go.
Just to get it going.
I'm tryna fatten this wallet. Pussy ass niggas can kickbox.
Better days coming though, man. Better days coming.
Watch how a nigga go.
Cycle gear. I had to wait like almost 2 months to get the boy. Forever. They kept on calling me like, do you want your money back? I called him. It's hard to get 4-wheeler tires right now. John said y'all can't even get them. Yeah, that's what he told me. Shit, I don't know. I thought we was friends. Hey man, I be off on Sundays, man. So I can send their car. Real. I'm gonna have to find out. I'm gonna hit him up. I'm gonna make sure I got his number before I go. Cause you know he gonna want to bring a tuner out. He ain't gonna want to see us having no fun in American cars while him being like, oh, I got a Honda, I got a Miata, I got a Mini Cooper. This the Honda man right here. This Mr. B16. Dual overhead cam. DOHC. See, y'all ain't think I know nothing about the DOHCs. Y'all better stop playing with me. Just gonna put some air in there, that's it.
You can't air it up. It's a liability.
Special. You got the special machine.
Landon always saves my day, bro. Always.
Man, he the man.
Come through. Come on, bro, I just hyped you up. Yep. It's in there.
What that do? That just lock the bead in?
Shoots a bunch of air in there so it blows it up from the inside because it wasn't seating.
Nah, cause I always see where they be putting the little fire starter shit and
Oh yeah. We do that, but sometimes it gets a little wild, probably too wild for camera, you know?
Yeah.
So,
definitely.
fuck around, burn the shop down, and there's evidence, you know? You can't have that.
Yeah, that'd be all. I'm gonna have to hurry up and cut the camera off if you do that. As soon as I start smelling shit smoking, I'm gone.
You know? You know I'm gonna blame it on you. It was his tire. How much air these boys take? Here it goes, here it goes.
How much air?
7 PSI.
7 PSI.
You might need to put some of that slime in here, bro. Looks
Okay.
like it's kind of leaking out this little bead right here. So just stop by the store, whatever, get you that little slime before you take it out, or you might end up with a flat. I'm gonna dunk it real quick and make sure, but I think it might be leaking right there.
Damn. That Advance Auto got it?
What's up? Yeah, you got it.
I'm gonna get it real quick.
Yeah, go grab it.
Damn. Now, while they doing that, I'm finna go over here. Man, look at this Hellcat though. Jeez. This thing nice. Non-wide body. Whew. Finna go over here. Get them boys something to, get them a tea and a Red Bull, and then I'm gonna give me a cream donut and a coffee. That's the plan for breakfast. So I gotta get to the barber shop. I just kind of ran up in here before. You gotta know, man, it's Shipley's, man. They pretty good. Shipley's donut over here in Saginaw. I'm gonna go up in here. Oh. I know, man. I know the city, man. Oh, Shipley's. Oh, no. Let me see. I did. Jason want this one, and Buddy want this one. This thing fresh up in here, man. Jeez.
My pocket. Make the wrong move, might pop it. I'm tryna fatten this wallet. Pussy ass niggas can't kickbox. Eating so good that it's pasta. See all these niggas I passed up. Watch how a nigga go Lately I'm smoking exotic. Big 38 in my pocket. Make the wrong move, might pop it. I'm tryna fatten this wallet. Pussy ass niggas can't kickbox. Eating so good that it's pasta. See all these niggas I passed up. Watch how a nigga go Some of my niggas gon' slide, bitch. Aight, bitch. Hop out the ride, bitch. I got my girl as my sidekick. She keep the work, she gon' hide it. We have been rockin' with it for a minute now. She been loyal to me, won't make it sound like that cop talk. Look at print date, gotta get it in each and every way. Y'all don't have the stats though. I need racks, I need racks. Used to flip the pack slow. That's a fact, that's a fact. Why y'all in the back row? Getting lapped, getting lapped. Some my homies toe post. Do not act, do not act. Yeah, I'm excited. Big 38 in my pocket. Make the wrong move, might pop it. I'm tryna fatten this wallet. Pussy ass niggas can't kickbox. Eating so good that it's pasta.